Why do you need a portfolio for tech jobs?
A portfolio is your personal showcase of skills and projects. For beginners in tech, it can make you stand out from other job applicants. Portfolios provide real evidence of what you can do and how you solve problems. Employers often look for practical examples, not just resumes or certificates. Even simple projects can help prove your abilities and passion for technology.
What should you include in a beginner portfolio?
Start with the basics. A short introduction about yourself, a list of your skills, and at least 2 or 3 simple projects. Clearly explain your role in each project, what tools and technologies you used, and what challenges you overcame. Include your contact information so employers can easily reach you.
How do you choose the right projects?
Pick projects that show your relevant skills and interests. If you want a job in web development, simple websites or landing pages work well. For data analysis, small data projects or visualizations are great. Don't worry if your projects seem basic. How you explain your process and what you learned is just as important as the results.
What tools and platforms should you use?
Build your portfolio on platforms where employers can easily view it. Free website builders like GitHub Pages, WordPress, or Wix are popular choices. If you work with code, uploading your projects to GitHub shows you know version control. Keep your design clean and your navigation simple, so hiring managers find what they need quickly.
How do you keep your portfolio effective?
Update your portfolio as you learn new skills or finish projects. Remove outdated content and add your best work. Always proofread for spelling and grammar mistakes. Ask for feedback from peers or mentors. An up-to-date, carefully presented portfolio shows that you are committed and ready for real-world tech challenges.